It is nearly 6 a.m. and the morning shift starts in 10 minutes. Vehicles are manufactured at the Kvasiny plant 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. Its production portfolio includes the Kodiaq, Karoq, Superb, and Superb IV. The production process starts in the welding shop. This one in Kvasiny is the plant's most automated site, with 893 robots responsible for as much as 74% of the entire workload. Each body is welded from about 200 parts. The shop produces as many as 1,500 bodies a day, which represents over 6 million weld points and 150 kilometers of glue. After a thorough check, the body is now going to be further processed in a modern paint shop equipped with 65 robots. At the initial stage, the whole body is coated with 2 layers of anti-corrosion paint. The robots then seal all critical joints. The next step is to clean the body with ostrich feathers, then coat it with primer, filler, paint, and protective lacquer. The total thickness of all these layers is comparable to that of a human hair. A new team arrives at the site at 2 p.m. for the afternoon shift. The body has already done over 8 kilometers on the conveyor belt. Now it is arriving at the assembly line, where in just 3 hours, the whole vehicle is assembled to customer-ordered specifications. Each part must be delivered to the assembly staff at the right time. The logistics department has the huge responsibility of managing the assembly process. Among other sophisticated equipment, the warehouse staff use Pro Gloves, smart gloves designed to select conveyor positions into which the respective parts are to be placed. The starter batteries you see here are robot-controlled. The plant increasingly uses autonomous robots designed to transport loads of up to 150 kilograms. Back to the assembly lines now, where the team finishes more than 50 vehicles an hour. The key operation is the joining of the body and the chassis, an operation known as the wetting. From this point, the vehicle goes to the lights and bumpers assembly set. Wheels of appropriate dimensions and design are already waiting for the vehicle at the site. The doors are the last to be fitted. At this stage, plug-in hybrid vehicles are fitted with the high-voltage system control unit, and then activated. Now the whole vehicle is thoroughly checked. Even the smallest of defects or faults must be addressed. Quality is a top priority, and we have a specialized quality management center in place. Besides a sophisticated water tightness test, the center conducts extensive engine tests, as well as tests devised to check the vehicle for sources of undesired noise or potential blinding by headlights, for example. The Kvasiny plant ships 1,200 finished vehicles a day, more than 52% of which go by rail. The night is fast approaching, and so is the next shift.
Skoda. Simply clever.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.